What is up, guys? Well, since y'all have already seen that last video, I figured I'd get it out today. And yeah, I pressure washed it on the last video, but she's still a tad dirty, guys. This, around everything, I wound up getting some aluminum brightener, some AB50 to go on it. And gonna scrub her down, pressure wash it one more time, and try to get the old girl popping. So let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can do. While I'm doing that, I'll probably put y'all on a time lapse, and because I'm pretty sure y'all don't want to hear a pressure washer running at all times. The roof's pretty rough. We did build a bed since last time. Built a frame. Cleaned it up quite a bit. If y'all will look, I've got a 2-foot frame here that comes up. And something that was weird, if y'all have ever heard of a super single mattress, that is a 48-inch by 84-inch mattress. No bueno. Don't make them no more. Can't find them. You can find waterbed mattresses in that size, but I don't think a waterbed mattress will work very well in here. So what I wound up doing, a little bit of redneckery ingenuity. This right here is it's a cover for mattresses. And I had in another camper a bunch of this foam. Okay, and it's for the foam beds. Well, I cut that down to 50, by 75, because that's as big as this mattress was. So I had to add a little piece in there. And I wound up getting something that I'm not very used to. Well, anyways, that is done. This is done. I'm only gonna have I was gonna do doors right here. I don't think I'm gonna like it very much, so I believe I'm gonna go ahead and probably put a piece right here, plywood, kind of cover that up, and the rest of this right here is just gonna be curtain material that I'm gonna do for all these others. I wound up getting the curtain material yesterday and picked this brother sewing machine up. No, I am not a big sewer, but I'm gonna have to figure it out if I want this done. But guys, look, this is it's a big difference from the last video. Very big difference. Yes, we wound up getting a duotherm. We got it going, and kind of find out inside here is a little bitty fuse. Well, that little bitty fuse, it kept on blowing. Was wondering what in the world was going on. Well, come to find out, the blower motor on this duotherm, either the bearings are bad or something. So I'm gonna get a new blower motor put in this, that way that we're gonna have heat. But guys, it's like 80 degrees in here right now. I don't need heat. No, bad juju. Other than that, I'm gonna go ahead, get the pressure washer and everything set up, get y'all set up so y'all can kind of watch, see what all is going on, and I will be back at you. See ya. Well, we're back. And cleaned up all right. You know, granny guys, I'm thinking about not painting this. Just cleaning up the side, redoing the orange stripe here. All the way down this side, the other side, frames, and any other kind of accent, do it orange. But I don't see myself painting this white. A little bit of modern touch to an old camper, but she cleaned up all right. Just adds to it, man. Adds to it. I am so digging those wings. Yeah. Well, this time you can actually see a reflection in the camper. Last time, oh, there's a little bit of stuff right there. Not a big deal. Now, the main thing is, do we have leakage? We have no leakage. That's a positive. That is a positive. But let's I'm gonna kind of clean this stuff right here up, and yeah, once this camper dries, I'll probably get y'all on watching sand down or grind down the frame, get it cleaned up, get it ready for paint. And I still got to get the paint for the stripes and stuff like that. And whenever I get ready to start doing that, I'll cut y'all on, and I think there'll be another video. But I know that right there is a little quick montage of everything going on. So y'all be good, be safe, and like, subscribe. And remember, with an alliance, everything is possible. See you guys.